Have you ever worked so hard on your goals, waking up early, staying consistent, only to feel like you're stuck in the same place? You're not alone. It's frustrating, isn't it? You're putting in the effort, but the results just don't show up. What if I told you the reason isn't that you're not working hard enough? It's that you're missing 3 key steps. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix it in just 3 simple and powerful actions that you can start right now. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear, actionable roadmap to finally break through that plateau and start seeing real, lasting progress. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about why this happens, because understanding the problem is half the battle. Most people fail to see results, not because they lack effort, but because their efforts are scattered. It's like trying to fill a bucket with holes in it. No matter how much you pour in, it won't hold. The 3 biggest holes? Lack of consistency, lack of focus, and lack of strategy. Without these 3, even the hardest work feels like spinning your wheels in the mud. But don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll know how to plug those holes and make your efforts count. The first step is to set micro goals. Most people set goals like lose weight, save money, or start a business. While those are great, they're overwhelming because they're so big and vague. Instead, break them down into small, actionable steps. If your goal is to lose weight, a micro goal could be, I'll go for a 10-minute walk today. If you're saving money, start with, save $10 this week. Micro goals are powerful because they feel achievable. And every time you complete one, you build momentum and confidence. Here's your challenge for today. Think about one big goal you've been working on and break it into the smallest possible step. Got it? Good. Now pause for a moment and let us know in the comments. What's your micro goal? Writing it down isn't just about sharing, it's about accountability. When you put it out there, you're way more likely to follow through. Plus, you can come back to your comment later, see how far you've come, and celebrate your progress. Remember, it's not about doing it all at once. It's about doing what you can right now. Small steps lead to big wins. Trust me. Step 2 is all about momentum. Think of progress like a snowball. It starts small, but as you keep rolling it, it grows bigger and bigger. Momentum works the same way in your life. The key is consistency. Even if you only take tiny actions each day, they add up over time. Let's say your goal is to read more books this year. Instead of aiming for an entire book in a week, start with just 2 pages a day. Once you've done that for a few days, you'll find it easier to do 3 than 4. Momentum makes things easier as you go along. Here's your challenge. Choose one habit or action you want to build momentum on and commit to doing it every single day for the next week. Write it down, track it, and watch how the momentum grows. Finally, step 3, track your progress. This is where most people slip up. They work hard but never pause to reflect on how far they've come or what needs adjusting. Tracking your progress is like holding up a mirror to your efforts. It shows you what's working and what's not. You don't need fancy tools to do this. A simple journal or even a notes app will work. At the end of each day, ask yourself 3 questions. What went well today? What could I improve? What's my plan for tomorrow? These reflections don't just keep you on track. They also help you stay motivated by reminding you of the progress you're making. Your challenge for today is to start tracking. Tonight, grab a notebook or open your phone and write down those 3 questions. You'll be amazed at how this simple habit transforms your focus and results. So there you have it, the 3 steps to finally break through and see real results. Set micro goals, build momentum, and track your progress. These aren't just strategies, they're a roadmap to transform your hard work into tangible results. Now it's your turn. Start with one small action today. Maybe it's writing down your micro goal, committing to a habit for a week, or tracking your day tonight. Whatever it is, take that step now and watch how everything changes. If this video gave you clarity or inspiration, let me know in the comments below. What's your #1 goal right now? I'd love to hear about it and cheer you on. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more actionable tips and motivation.